welcome to Adoche Cosmetic Designs Cooking with Adoche segment. Yes, I got another one quick and easy for y'all. Today we was running around and I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna make something real quick coming in late, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna record another one for y'all. So this will be something quick and easy, a seafood rotel. I kind of had a taste for that, and so I just ran in the grocery store and grabbed some shrimp, got some stuff already at home, and just try to make it work. So alright y'all, stay tuned. Alright, and then for the ingredients, I got a 1 pound bag of salad shrimp. They're really small. I shop at a few stores, and so I went to Publix, before going home. So I was rushing. They did not have a smaller bag, and so this is the only one, and it was $20. So I wasn't expecting to do that. But if you are on a budget, let me put you on game right quick. The bag I got is 24 ounces, but you can get you 2 of these from Kroger or Walmart at less than that. If you're getting 1 bag, that's fine for yourself. If they don't have salad shrimp, because I don't think they have salad shrimp at Walmart, then just get the extra small and cut it in half. But yeah, you can still get 2 bags and get a pound for less than that, somewhere else. Especially if you're getting the crab, because you already know crab costs, and crawfish, that's optional. But if you're doing all that, but you want to save on the shrimp, then yes. All right, you're welcome. But if you get just regular small ones, you can just kind of cut them up if you want to have pieces of shrimp in there. I got lump crab meat. This I already had in the refrigerator, so I'm really thinking I'm gonna save this because I had it for something else I'm gonna cook. So I might do 1 in this, especially since this is so big. And also I don't have a lot of cheese. I normally like to have 3 on deck just in case. But I already had this one, so I just got this extra Queso Blanco cheese. So that's gonna be good. Butter, you already know it. I got my seasonings. You can use your basic salt, pepper, and if you don't have any specialty seasonings, you can do stuff like a garlic and onion powder. Those are usually my go-tos. But Old Bay, I'm gonna do some Old Bay, and actually they started making these kind of seasonings. They got a garlic herb, so I'm gonna try that. I got mine from Publix, but I saw that you can get it at Walmart too. In this, you do not have to try this, but this is something I kind of already had. It's good. Another one you can get at Walmart, but you got to get it at Super Walmart. I haven't paid attention if it's somewhere else, but I know you can get it at the Super Walmart, not neighborhood. And it's almost like the more stuff you got, that makes it the better stuff tastes. You feel me? The Scoops chips are convenient, especially Sade, my baby. She likes the Scoop chips. But we also like the loaves of the white baguettes, aka Boujie bread, so I like to call it. And so I get them to cut it up in thin slices at the bakery. And I will insert the clip so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, you're getting a little bougie bread. As I likes to call it. Had them cut it up. You alright today?
Yeah, I'm okie-dokie. You want solid bags?
Well, yeah, I wanted you to cut them up for me.
Regular or thin?
Thin. Thin will be good. You just have to ask them to do it for you if they do it, because not all stores cut them up. I think Kroger cuts them up, Publix cuts them up, but I don't think you can at somewhere like Walmart. So yeah, those are the only 2 stores I know about through the years of doing it. But yes, Sanaa calls it bougie bread. But it's meat and thin. I get the thin slices, like I say, so if they ask you what that's considered the thin slices. Anyways, let me stop long talking and get to it. Alright, so now we about to get started. The shrimp is already cooked technically, but I like, you know me about flavor and all that. So, if you really rushing, you don't have to, but I'm going to kind of cook mine a little bit with the crab and mix it in with my little flavors and things. So I'm gonna get my butter going. Alright, so we got butter going on. I'm gonna throw a little bit of my little secret trip. You don't have to do this, y'all. You don't. But if you have some and you want to, you can. Then I'm gonna add the little shrimp. Alright, so got my shrimp in there. Get some seasoning going. Add a little regular salt. You know, y'all know I'm guilty for using Tony Casher Creole seasoning on just about everything like salt. Crab meat in there. Get all of that get flavored together. Alright, it's starting to kind of bubble a little bit. Alright, so now that's doing what it needs to do. We're about to add a can of Rotel to it. You can do original or mild. I'm going to do mild. It just depends on how spicy you like it. But you know, my youngest, Sade, don't need all that spice. So we're just going to keep it mild today. Alright, so we got that going. Now we about to do the cheeses. And so yeah, Queso Blanco. Alright, y'all, that was easy. Easy, easy, easy. So that's it, you guys. It turned out good. It's very quick and easy to make. Plus got a little bit more going on than just your typical ground beef rotel. Especially if you like seafood. It's really good. So, alright you guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section. Feel free to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more. Bye.